By the way, my name is Udal, your tutor for today. I'm glad because I teach you how to find the present value of annuity and also how to solve the problem of present value of annuity. Our learning targets today is calculate the present value of due. Before I discuss about the present value annuity due, I ask first, you know what is the present value of annuity due? An annuity due is a repeating payment that is made at the beginning of each period. It has following characteristics. All payments are in the same amount, such as a series of payments of $500. All payments are made at the same intervals of time, such as a 1/4 of year. Today I will discuss on how calculate the present value of annuity due, such as future value of payment for lenses for which payment are to be made at the beginning of each interest conversation. As stated in the contract can be calculated using the formula below. The value of an ordinary annuity form of periods at interest per compounding period is present value annuity due equal P1 quantity of negative 1 plus I raised to the power of negative n over I quantity of 1 plus I, where P is the fixed period payments. Example, Mrs. Mayan signed a lenses contract with the owner of a commercial space worth 100 pesos per year for 5 years and made a first payment on February 1. Evaluate the present value of Mrs. Mayan 5 years lenses on the same. The first payment was made assuming a 2.2% annual compound interest rate. 100 pesos. This is the space worth per year for 5 years. Using above formula, the present value of Mrs. Mayan annuity is present value annuity due 1 negative quantity 1 plus I raised to the power of negative n over I quantity 1 plus I. Present value annuity due equal 100 pesos negative 1 quantity 1 plus 0.022 over 0.022 raised to the power of negative 5. This is the continue PV annuity due 1 negative quantity 1 plus 0.022 raised to the power of negative 5 over I quantity of 1 plus 0.022 present value annuity due equal 100 pesos negative 1 quantity of 1 minus 0.022 raised to the power of negative 5 over
0.022 raised to the power of activity of 1 0.00022 present value annuity do copy again the 100 pesos. This is the principal. Present value annuity due here is P principal 100 pesos, 1 negative, quantity of 1 minus 0.022 raised to the power of negative 5 over 0.022, quantity of negative 1 minus, rather 1.022 is equal present value annuity do 100 pesos 0.103046708 over 0.022, quantity of 1.022. The discrepancy in the decimal place is due to the pounding of the number to the nearest desired place value. The example above show how the future and the present value of any amount of money affect annuity. Their examples show frequency of payments and the are made are factor that. This is the another example. Number 2. James wants his money to grow. The invest 12,000 worth of money at the beginning of each year in a bank that earn 8% compounded annually. What will be the total amount of his investment after 15 years? 12,000 is the principal. I here is the interest. Interest here is 0.08. This is the formula of present value annuity due. Present value annuity due equals P quantity of 1 plus I raised to the power of n minus 1 over I. Quantity of 1 plus I. 12,000 pesos, quantity of 1 plus 0.08 raised to the power of 15 minus 1 over 0.08, quantity of 1 plus 0.08, 12,000 pesos, quantity of 1.08 raised to the power of 15 minus 1 over 0.08, quantity of 1.08. You get answer. Quantity of 12,000 times 29.32 42 28 304. You get answer. We continue to get answer. 2,932,440.304.